Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be cooking up some chicken fried rice on our Blackstone Griddle here. And we already prepared the ingredients on our hardcover lid that we make here in the United States. I'll put a link to that in the video description. And so yeah, first thing we're going to do is actually add some oil, add the meat, and then add the veggies. And after that's all done, we're going to add the rice. So stay tuned. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is actually add the peas and carrots to the griddle. Alright, so now that the chicken and the veggies are done, I'm going to go ahead and add the rice now and the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I just want to show you the way I cook chicken fried rice on the Blackstone Griddle. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we do make a hardcover lid for these griddles. So I'll put a link down in the video description so you guys can check them out. And we'll see you in the next video.